So I'm just sitting here. Sometimes I just like to sit, I'm literally like sitting on the floor. Sometimes I just like to sit around and watch my birds do birdie things. It's a good bonding time. Kiwi likes to sit up there, and she was watching me before, like she was looking down. And yeah. And that's pretty much what I like to do. Just like sit with them, and they're grooming each other. And yeah. And sometimes they like to come down and investigate me while I'm sitting. As you can see, she's just been nibbling on me the entire time. She was nibbling on my butt crack before, so that wasn't really fun at all. Yeah. And she's just been doing that, doing her turn around me, and just like nibbling here and there. Yeah, it's a little monster. What are you doing? Hmm? Hmm? What are you doing? Hmm? And that's Lily. Just likes to bite on things and stuff. Yeah. So, yeah, no, leave my underwear alone. So I'm just trying to enjoy my birds. Just sitting with them, and Lily's been attacking my bum bum. Really, just an odd feeling. Just gotta admit that. Chicken's got poop under her foot. Chicken, clean yourself. Clean yourself properly, girls. This is the mineral perch. It's really popular with the parrots. They just love to chew on it, and yeah, they get some minerals, some vitamins too. Clean your poop. Do a better job. So this is a ferret cage, by the way. That's like Lily's big old cage. This is a ferret cage, so this is one door. Just wait until my camera focuses. That's one door. This is the other door. It's low to the ground. This is actually Kiwi's cage. But the cockatiels like to hijack it. Oh, she's pooping. That's it. And this door opens too. Sorry, Kiwi. Move. And I have this little rope thing because I'm trying to teach Chicken to climb up it. Which she did actually. She climbed it 2 times. I don't want to put a wood ladder because Lily chews it. So I just put up this rope. I literally just put it up like 20 minutes ago. And then I put Chicken on it like right in the middle. And she kind of like looked at it, and then she just figured out that she can climb and get to the top. So yeah. That's pretty much it. And then it opens up nice and big. That's pretty deep in here. Yeah. Hi, Kiwi. Like your cage? So, Kiwi. And there's a vet wrap, so if she like perches here and stuff, it's more comfortable. I can't put vet wrap up here, which is where she also likes to perch, but if I could, I would. And yeah. And she's just been going at it the entire time. She just like has not given up. Go away. Go away. Oh, she's getting excited. Like when they get excited, you can smell. You can just smell them. They start getting musky and it comes out through their nostrils. Oh, you're so stinky. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? Gosh. Such a stinky bird. Go. Hmm? Hmm? Okay. And that's that. And I'll just sit here until my legs get numb and just watch my birds. And do weird birdie things. This is usually when I'm like at my most bored. I think the cockatiels usually amuse me maybe the most. I mean, Lily, yeah, she amuses me. Sometimes the cockatiels just do strange things. They make the most. They're very very expressive in their faces. Like sometimes they make the most funniest actions with their mouths and their cheek feathers. It's really funny. What are you doing up there? And so yeah, so the two doors I kind of like put them together, and the birds like go and all around. Lily usually likes to hang out there, and they just go all around and investigate. The cockatiel cage is actually all the way down there. Lily actually does not go on it or touch it. And from the first time we got her, we completely tried to make her avoid that cage. So we did not praise her whatsoever for going near it, and we took her down immediately if she went on it. So she's just learned that she can go on these two. And as long as Kiwi allows her, so it's pretty good, you know. So, and Kiwi allows these two to go. Yeah, she was picking her nose and then she sneezed. Yeah. So the cockatiels will either fly over here onto this cage, or they'll just walk. And that's it. Quoi tu fais? Huh? Quoi tu fais? Quoi tu fais? God, there's so much stink coming from these birds. Oh, you can just smell it. I smell it. You stinky birds. Huh? What are you doing? Quoi tu fais? Huh? Oh, chicken. The poopy feet. Clean yourself. You're putting poop all over the perch. Chicken. Huh? Oh, she's clearing her crop. Gonna do it again, chicken. Huh? Oh, nice one. Clean your feet. Gosh. Sass, I see you.